Hello activated farm, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for the 4,223 subscriptions, I really appreciate. Today's video is about the River Katonga Bridge construction project. But before we go further, do not forget to subscribe, because it encourages me to make more videos for you. Like, because it keeps the channel going. Comment, because your opinions are highly valued. And share.
Что я делаю? Опять там прям.
The 191 billion shillings, River Katonga Bridge project, contract was awarded to China Communications Construction Company Limited. And the company has already developed a new design for the bridge. The government has given China Communications Construction Company Limited up to July 2027 to complete construction works on the new permanent bridge over River Katonga on the Kampala Masaka Highway. The 191 billion shillings contract was awarded to CCCC because of the effortless statement the company has made on the different projects. The company has already developed a new design for the bridge. According to the Ministry of Works and Transport, the contractor has kicked off works at sections of Luwera and Kalandazi on the highway, which are currently in a poor state. The contractor has been on site since July last year, and currently, the excavation and rockfill for embankment is in progress at Katonga, and the same is being done at Luwera and Kalandazi. We are optimistic that the remaining contractual period will be enough to complete the work, Mr. Alan Sempua, a communications officer at the Works Ministry, said on January 13th. Currently, motorists going to Masaka are using the temporary steel bridge, while those from Kampala use the old concrete bridge. The steel bridge was erected parallel to the existing old concrete bridge, part of which was swept away by flash floods last year. Concern. Mr. Ahmed, a long-distance truck driver transporting cargo to the Democratic Republic of Congo, said the steel bridge appears to be weakening and urged CCCC to expedite construction works on the permanent concrete bridge. When you are crossing in a heavy truck like mine, you can feel that you are not safe. We just pray that work is expeditiously done and we return to the concrete bridge, he said. But Mr. Sempua allayed the fears of motorists, saying the contractor has undertaken geological and other technical investigations on the site. The steel bridge is safe. Also, it is safe to conclude that the works are progressing as planned, aligning with the objective of constructing larger, more robust, and efficient drainage systems across these 3 locations, all designed to withstand flooding for generations to come, he added. CCCC constructed the steel bridge as a temporary measure, as it embarks on works for a permanent one. Through these constructions project contracts, taken by China Communications Construction Company Limited, in Uganda, this Chinese construction company has made a statement in Uganda's infrastructure.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Like, if the video is interesting, share, and comment what you think about this project.